In MovilOne, we appreciate the trust placed in us and the interest shown for the work we do. For this reason, we present the complete assembly of the new repair and recording workshop for our YouTube channel. This video comes as support for anyone who plans to set up a mobile phone repair shop, and for that, for any question or clarification, we await your comments and suggestions. Thank you. We remove the roof to have more height. Separate the workshop from the store with plates and apricks. Soundproofing with rock wool. We cover the holes. We use white paint and that's it. We use two boards 80 centimeters wide. To not move the table, we will place two angles curved on the wall. We place 8 extendable legs made of steel. We set the table. To organize the tools, we use two panels. We have placed 16 blue drawers to store some spare parts. We put the tools in our workshop. Bottles for storing liquids. For laminate, we use the molds. Our soldering station and GBC air station. Heat gun. Power supply. Anti-static bracelet. The microscope amscope with 180 magnifications. Tools for opening the devices. To repair the software on the mobile devices, we'll need a computer and a screen. We are waiting for the dust-free workbench and the freezer, the screen separator. Meanwhile, we'll use this portable bench free of dust. Here we have a laminator to change the screens for Samsung Edges 2. And this one is to eliminate the bubbles. Double-sided tape, contact cleaners, some multimeters, Dremel and screwdrivers, Torx type. Thermal camera and this tool that we use to put straight the frame of the Apple devices. Tools to lift the Samsung screens, ultrasonic cleaner. This machine to remove oka. This special mobile dryer that helps us to lift the screen. Iron to separate the touch screen from the LCD screen. To store the flux, the tin paste and the adhesive, we use this refrigerator at 5 Celsius degrees. The compressor and the vacuum pump, chairs and anti-static clothes.